Okay guys, our mission today, if we choose to accept it, is to locate the Love and Fresh zero net carb bread. We're on a mission. Icy pastries and rolls. I see Love and Fresh other items that are not zero net carbs. So this company makes lots of baked goods, but we are on the hunt for zero net carb bread. Here's Fit Active. Fit and Active. You are not zero net carb. Is this gonna be a bust, guys? Is it gonna be a bust? I see white bread. I see buns. Let's keep looking. Okay guys, we're waiting for customer service to locate the bread. And in the meantime, I see this super cute chair. It's awesome.
Wheat and then multi-seed. So I don't know.
Oh, so there's two kinds.
Yeah.
Well, I'll get 2 of each.
2 of each? Okay.
Yes.
So these are frozen, so when you get home, you could either throw them in the freezer, or if you leave them out, they usually have a shelf life. I'm not 100% sure on how much these are because I haven't seen the tag yet, but it's probably like 7 to like 10 days. That's usually what it is.
Okay, thank you so much. You're a rock star.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Bye-bye. Okay, guys. See you guys at home. And on my way out, I am grabbing a couple of dozens of eggs. It says the limit is 3. Aldi always have good price on eggs. Hey guys, I'm back. I scored both kinds of zero net carb bread. I had no idea there was 2, but as you saw, the customer service rep, she went into the freezer. She was a rock star. She came out with 2 different kinds. So we have the brand is Love and Fresh, and it's keto friendly zero net carb bread. This one is multi-seed, and this one is a wheat bread. Let's fix this. So this one is the wheat bread, and I'll show you the information on the back. Here are the specs. It has 9 grams of carbs and 9 grams of fiber, making it zero net carbs. Here are the ingredients. It does say it contains wheat. I have a bit of a grain sensitivity, but I'm just gonna try this and take it one for the team. Here's the wheat bread. Pretty much same specs. 9 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fiber, making this zero net carbs. Only this one is made with some oat fiber, vegetable fiber, fibers, different things. So, but what we're really here for is a taste test. So let me pull out my handy dandy toaster and see how this goes. I have some Kerrygold waiting to the side, getting a little soft. So we'll see. I haven't been much of a fan of these different kinds of, what do you call it, with the different types of zero carb breads, a lot of them are just too sketchy, and I'm like, ew. So this is what the wheat bread looks like. This is the shape of it. It's a strange shape, but it's about the same size of a standard piece of bread. So you go there, and I'll add the multi-seed one and the other side. Oh, let me show you the size. It's a little bigger, I think. Let's try to compare. Let's see. Yeah, the multi-seed one is larger than the wheat. So, whoa. You guys saw that? Almost had an accident on camera. Just kidding. Okay. So let's toast this. Let's get out our plate and our butter. I don't have any expectations. I really don't know what to expect. So if you guys have tried it, let me know. If you haven't, you can find this at Aldi. This is an Aldi find. I called their customer service number. They were able to tell me which location near me had the bread and how many they had in stock. And when I went there, they were not, they weren't on the floor. The customer service rep said that the bread, she thinks it has to be refrigerated. And that's where she got it from. She got it from the freezer. So I picked up 1 pack for me, 1 pack for a friend of each kind, just to see. So let's wait until this is done. I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. Nice and toasted. This is the wheat bread. The multi-grain, multi-seed has a little bit more color. Both are crispy. So now I have my Kerrygold over here. It feels like regular bread. Looks like regular bread. Butter spreads on it like regular bread. You can use some sugar-free preserves, some sugar-free jam. Just eat it like this. I don't know. For those of you that miss bread, this just may be the ticket. But let me try it. Okay, so I don't know. It doesn't have a flavor, but it does have the bread feel, the bread texture. It's like what it is, eating toast. So that was the wheat. Let's try the multi-seed. Looks nice, huh? I actually like that one better. I don't know if it's the seeds in it or what, but very good. Has more of a flavor to me. This is what it looks like. Guys, these are $2.99 at Aldi. I say you run out today. I just was lucky enough to score this. Came out of nowhere. I was just scrolling, looking at the what's new at Aldi, and boom, zero carb bread. Like, and the other zero net carb breads are super expensive. Guys, this was $2.99. So please, go give it a shot. Let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye.